King kejingja arnga jong ki armut ki sijur ki badai Indore Madhya Pradesh ki balawan honeymoon ha Meghalaya sora lami shibun ki jingkno baka Meghalaya kamtami ka than sora baka dei ke jaka penia bri kene ke jingkatho kalami ru na ki national media bandong sora ketika crime prone hills lane kata ka jaka ka babun ki kamsnio Henry wala kataru lami iwe longkmi ban yaro ya kacela Meghalaya baka dei ke jaka ka basingan bat ke jaka ka balongkum ka beneng ki India ini ilong kami iba ay kerteng Navi Sovani minta ilam mi biang saisien ban penpau da kejingkeman banong ba minta kejing sya kilapau kumba nadu meningkong ngalaong ba Meghalaya kadi kejaka kabasingan ban travel lani ban syangkai perthai.
Hello, namaste, how are you all? I am today very happy. From the day first, I was telling that people of Meghalaya are very good, very calm, and today it is proven that Northeast, Meghalaya and Northeast is very safe to travel. See again, mind my words, from the day one, though there were so many people telling so many things, from day one I was telling it is so safe, people are so kind, so honest, so loving, and today I am very happy because it has been proved. Now, whether those people who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame, I am sure those who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame. Or I feel even that Meghalaya and all those who are supporting Meghalaya, we should file a defamation case against the parents or the administration of that concerned state who blamed and tarnished Meghalaya's image. But you are knowing, always good is good, bad is bad. Though they told whatever, today it has proved now. All over the world is able to see what Meghalaya is and what is the Northeast. That is why from the beginning I was telling, because it was my personal experience. I was not telling just because someone told. No, I had personally visited, and that is why I know it is safe. No doubt there are what I can say waterfalls or valleys and all. That is why we have to take care of ourselves. Otherwise, people are very good, very safe. They are not criminals. They are helping. They are our own brothers and sisters. You are knowing Sonam, who was, you are knowing, missed for so many days. Today, police have been able to arrest her from UP. Again, hats off to Meghalaya police. I had done one video that no one should blame the police or the locals. Whether you remember it, see what I said has become true. That is why I am very happy today, because my second home I have called, and my brothers and sisters, they will feel proud today, and they should be, because simply we should not blame anyone. without knowing them, without going there. Just no, it is not correct. That is why from that day, first I was telling, because I have experienced. At least the driver was there with us for 8 days, day and night he was with us. So we know what the people are. They are very good, again I am telling, very simple and